Welcome to your Bright MLS Facebook Live. My name is Mariah Jacobs. I'm your Bright MLS Customer Success Coach for today. Today we'll be reviewing MLS Touch, your mobile app for Bright MLS. We're going to go over two of the recent updates within MLS Touch. But first things first, let's review how to gain access to the app itself. If you visit your App Store or Google Play Store, you'll simply type in MLS Touch in the search bar and you'll locate this logo here on your screen. Be sure that you have your Bright MLS login credentials on hand so that you can gain access to the app. Now let's talk about those two updates and what are they? There are two new updates. You now have the hot sheets option here within MLS Touch. Now, previously you can search and add only cities, 10 cities to your hot sheets. But now you can search any location criteria and not just cities. You also have an update to your listing sharing template. You can now customize it. Now let's actually do a live demo on this. So I'm going to share my screen and you should now see the MLS Touch app itself here on my screen. So first we're going to work under the home tab here. So you're going to tap home and we're going to then tap on hot sheet. Once you tap hot sheet, we are then going to select the option change location. So as I mentioned before, you previously had the option to search by cities only up to about 10 cities. You now have the option to search by any location criteria. So say for instance, let me add in Arlington. Okay. As you see here, Arlington, Virginia, we're going to tap on the plus sign. If I want to add in another option, of course, let's say Reston. Okay. Notice this is a postal city now. I previously added in Arlington, Virginia County. So there are no limits on that location criteria and there is no cap on that. Okay. So let's go ahead and click the cancel option here. Okay. So again, tap change location and you can simply type in those location options. Now we're going to go ahead and tap the X in the upper left-hand corner and let's review customizing our listing share template. So we're going to tap the three lines in your lower right-hand corner where it says more. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down until you'll see settings. You'll tap on settings and then tap on preferences. Once you select preferences, as you see here, it says listing sharing customization. Of course, you can share listings two ways: SMS, text message, and email. Now, if you tap on SMS, as you see here, it says hello, contact name, which will of course insert the contact's name and the listing URL. It says contact me if you want more information, right? Well, you can actually make adjustments to this verbiage here. And you also have the option here to have it in Espanol. Once you make those changes, you can go ahead and select the save option. As for your email, if you tap on email, you have the option again to type in that verbiage. Hello, John Smith. This listing may be your preference. Feel free to contact me if you have questions or concerns. Okay. Once you enter that information, you want to always be sure that you select that save option. All right. So again, you have those two updates, customizable updates within MLS Touch. You no longer have limits on your hot sheet, just searching cities only. You have no limits on the location criteria, and then you also have the option to customize your listing sharing messaging. Now, if you'd like to book a one-on-one coaching session with maybe a customer success coach like myself or someone else on my team, you can simply visit brightmls.com/office hours. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye.